That's what you
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? Disrespect, man.
Where's your pops?
I'm trying to get that free tools.
Walking around.
Oh, he's in the shop?
Yeah. Hey, you got one of those little books for the prices and shit?
Uh,
You know what I'm talking about?
Brochure. The new one, October. Wait, OJ,
I mean, if it's free.
I found one for
but
Wedo
yeah,
here.
keep it here so other people can.
Good show. Yeah, I'll take care of
Aquí
it.
está ya, on sale.
You say you can take it off.
Pa' ti, man, you know.
You want anything? What you want there?
You got anything on sale? Déjame pasar.
We got used.
Used?
That's used air. Half. No, this is 3/8. And we got half ratchet.
Where are the prices at?
You gotta ask.
Yeah, that's
I just search them there.
yeah. We can give you like a flyer for the month.
¿Qué agarraste? Oh,
Look at you make doing the fucking mess already.
sir, it wasn't me.
Now you gotta buy it.
You break it, you buy it. ¿Qué agarraste?
Oh, you need that for?
Don't fucking worry
You don't
about
even
it, bro.
work.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
What's up, Jonathan? Good, you?
You don't even work.
You're a rookie here. Get off.
Damn.
I touch for everything.
Still bitch ass. No, you do not.
Yeah,
Hey,
sorry,
you're on the
It is, huh?
Me. Hell yeah. What's your last name?
That TISM kid.
You don't have the kit to repair these, do you? Or do you guys sell the head separate? Because all I need is the
We'll
head.
just send it in for repair, probably.
Yeah, you guys don't sell the head by itself?
No.
No. Fuck.
Alright.
Just send it in, bro.
I'm gonna head back, bro. I gotta finish that car.
You little bitch.
How soon? When did you buy it?
Now it's been like a year.
I think it's like a year and a half, maybe 2.
Can you check how long you left on it? It's a blue one. About the same. What's your
What are you getting, Jonathan?
listen.
God, it is out of here.
Yeah.
The sauna here.
Go home, Jonathan.
Where are those Bihex sockets?
Bihex?
I need like the one for the head bolts.
Head bolt sockets?
All the rookies are here. Damn, that's nice.
You need the part number, the 10 or the 10 or the 12?
Because you need I need the
The female?
The female,
Or the male one for the female heads?
I need the female one for the male heads.
Yeah,
For the male head bolts.
that's what I have.
Yeah, I need both.
I can give you the part number for it. I'm pretty sure I have it. Ryan ain't gonna be in here for a few last week. He's been in there for a while. Because he knows there's no fucking air
saw those in the
conditioning
front
on this
though?
shit box right now.
Look at those in the front.
But I'll send you like a new one.
Will they?
No, like the,
See if I
the
bring
little
it next
driver.
week.
Yeah, that one.
Cool. Hell yeah, bro.
Hey, yo!
That's not bad.
What?
140 to.
To repair? Better than like 6 something, aren't they?
They're like 45 to 8 pounds.
You get for like hybrid batteries or something.
Oh, this would be a Dash Destroyer right here.
Those are clean, bro.
Yeah.
Some pink tools would be badass. Ain't no lie.
Some pink tools.
Take that shit, bro. I'm broke them up.
But they're reasonably fast on that.
Shut up.
Already good.
Jose,
Let's get out of here.
take me off with you, bro. Close my eyes.
Alright.
Yeah, I might bring it in next week. So you can send us the part number.
You got brand new stuff on here, dude.
You have to take EBT?
Oh,
What if I give you twice as much as you want for it?
twice as much.
Yeah, change real quick. Come on.
Hey, you accept food stamps?
Now we can sell it.
You take food stamps?
No.
He's like, hell no.
I'll pay that off real quick.
Hey, you have food.
You accept food stamps.
What the fuck would you get that?
You don't have to worry about buying the extra batteries.
Oh, what the hell?
And you can send it in just like the other
I was gonna say I expected
It's
more.
Air
but
DA,
it's
huh?
kinda like-
This is a
He said
badass
this is
kid.
old school right here, man.
Mm-hmm.
What, 8-inch? 8-inch pen?
Yeah.
It's 45
Little
or
six.
44 inch pounds. It says it on
Wait for that yellow one.
So the only thing I'm weirded
No?
out by is
This,
what am I gonna
oh, the same size,
Oh, no,
yeah.
it's the
So
same
it's
size, but eso está más